Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
Memamuni Akwaba eba Melodies TV so, a top member of the Ghana Medical Association. Aba Bonten the message be aba betuja na message abo mudi atuja no. It is straight and clear. Almost President Akufo-Addo won't close down schools. Asem ne tenten ni titi mu ano no. We hwe se ne coronavirus no. Sebi sisia no ekosoro. Sisia me ne mo ka say just 10 minutes ago me be ka say Madam Fobi status so na wo de ato so o se ne auntie enwumre we ya na wo from coronavirus. After no Madam for ne say wafa coronavirus serious. It is very serious. It's here for a lot of people are dying. Surprisingly, some people are also taking it as a joke. Hey, it's here for if you know share me tetema Kotema General Hospital ayema. Hey, odi Kotema General Hospital ayema. Community 4 hospital bi wo ho aye friend na Beta Hospital. Odi ko ho keke na obehu say kona ko bisa ayema. I am telling you guys, this coronavirus thing, it is not a joke. Ghana Medical Association for akwa say omanya yetimu yi say asemsia we don't let the professionals handle the matter. Inti sa na agiegu na say he nyankopon wanim ni coronavirus ne ba first no ne krani nyame anim nyankopon bo ayen ba me sure say nyankopon na ka say hu de kwa hu ne say da bi Ghana fo no mu nsua de ase bo amu no mu taking for granted. It's here for how people are dying now. This year, officially, over 400 people have died. But Endra na mini obi kasa nipa kono katre me se nipa kono wono so yes our health practitioner no. Wo katre me se wo betumi e de nsesi ne bo aka. Se sa numbers na yete se coronavirus nkrofo ewu no aban e katre no obetumi de nsesi ne bo aka se sa numbers no aban enye ne kre. Ona sa numbers ni so. Because in a day one nipa kono one tikra no te se bia nkrofo 10 ewu. Ono one tikra in a day say nipa kono tumi te se nkrofo 10 ewu e wo coronavirus we nkrofo a e bia wono ye adwuma wo hospital ni nti wote se nkrofo 10 ewu because of coronavirus no. Abanda ba report no na aban a report say oh that way date way nkrofo 2 e na ewu ye date way nkrofo 3 e na ewu from coronavirus. Na nipa kono ewusu ni ti say hey their main po around me po amati ye 10 so imagine the other regions. But abandaba be cancel the whole Ghana and grow 2 and 3 per in the cases we are even seeing, some people believe say there are more cases than what we are seeing. And I wish you send more because and the date 8 February we share abine data what they update yen afianza abine number yes a second or a third or a 4th February move. That say automatically it tells you so the cases are even more than the reported cases are buying a day mine. But senior mechanic the medical experts was a womokasa no womokasa yentie and Raji Mensa eka say yanto your old voters ID card ngu nyenko ye new one no Ghana Medical Association for Babonte peka say hey sa di yendi mboa but yemfi Assembly Court Supreme Court hu say ne ye yemfi ene ko order yen say Ghana for munko saline na munko ye registration no nini name registration no we saw videos we saw what happened. People were in queues not wearing nose masks. Ye fadia na agro ye ko to abato ne de mebo isi na baso wo mo ya de because the social distancing and the wearing of face masks ni nyama nose masks no ni na eye adwuma nti mebo isi no mebo na baso. But proud to abato no we saw what happened. The politicians BNC rally na ye refi because we want political power. Satan ni na Ghana Medical Association for kasa say hey dear koi na saying ye be ye papa je yie no omo ba bonte be ka say say ye kesie say yesremu coronavirus osofu penyi ba kon a wo call papa je na yie no na eno no mitumi interest e ho na wo konya yare no se de en wa ba bonten aba be ka say wonya yare no ye Archbishop Palmer Buckle JJ Rawlings yie no na wa ase bi ba wasisia wa ba bonti aba benya yare nti yenim se na yare no hye ne ho deda no de ko eyi na ase ana se eyi na ase ho no konya yare no but Ghana Medical Association me kai pa se satan no mo ba bonti be ka se papa je ye coronavirus aba ye sanso ko ye papa je ye aye ne state burial no wasre aban ma aban enye but oman ya yetimu yi experts ne kasa wa asem so a yemfi yentie yaw sisiano the interesting thing and say abandon social gatherings abandon say wo club wo we nanso yamankola akọ school nkola na de omuko school ne ka say wo muko school a ye beto nose marks amomo atulende nkola no nose marks bawo wo munyae me wakola ba ko wo mefie ye mo nose marks bia mi nose marks amato wo fie na me de mana de bia wo de ko over weeks ni and I mean him say do 1 week or say 2 weeks new aban e ka se nkola ni ko school a ye be mo nose marks ni president Akufo-Addo be kan de atulende nose marks no bawo obi be se we tema tematwi bawo tematwi ye kan bawo na tre se we nya hwe bawo unya bawo we nya hwe oni bawo oni hwe etiefo asem no asa agro bi ene de yawe edi endru echia na eti se Akosombo International School Nkola any teacher yes students baako 40 o said enya corona. I think the students and the teachers o said but nkrofo baako 40 e wa Akosombo International School enya coronavirus that tested positive for coronavirus spread the dende wa Akosombo International School ho awofo bi mu e di ayemhihie akwa form mba every school nim Akosombo International School Amompo de ne yatio over 40 students. And TV3 ko ye interview. The way the students are packed, no social distancing in a room. Ankola na wa hyewe di omo a nose masks na wo mo de ahwe omo ho na mo se hyewe di omo ti omo eyi no me hu ye na mesre. Ebi mo kran hye nose masks no. TV3 for e ko ye interview na nsenya. Please the Ghana Medical Association, the regional chairman Ashanti region, was aban we there enehwe say aban won there wa na waka baby ade ni du no mankola ni nkofie was with the evidence available now I will not hesitate to say that let's close or suspend schools. We can test the children, send those who test negative home and keep those who test positive and manage them. Ghana will not be the only country where they've opened schools and closed them because of COVID-19. So there should be a national discussion on that threshold we hit before we close down schools. Etiefo asem no media maka papa we asem a wakan ne kan nyame nim due to precedents papa we asem a wakan metumi atrel say ebeto nsiom oh ni Ghana ebeto nsiom the politician is more concerned about actually we take care then a Ghana for better than the right thing being done. Because on himself go take action now. You better say ane not to say mu take action ne sebe mu antena se andwen ho papa ansa mu take afi de mu be ma ya akofie biom. Ana wo fo ne better say na mu atwen ya yetia school fees ewie no na mu san so close down. Because school fees nso de ne kan nyame anim schools no up to fees ni mu pa to say bi mo je triple quadruple fees just because close lockdown no serious. But in some way that one no. Won't try my comment box anymore. That's it.